Morning. We've got some repairs to do to Hugo. There's a lot of things we want to do, but probably got to start with the most important thing, is the rear doors are not locking on the central locking. So we've ordered something in the hope that it will fix it. A new locking mechanism. So we've got to work out how that goes in there somehow. Not sure how. There should be 3 on there, but looks like there's 2. And there's 3 bolts there. So let's have a look and see how we can do it, and of course if it fixes it. Okay, so here is the locking actuator. So what it looks like is there is a, you can see that plug there, which equates to that plug there. So it goes in like so. Those line up there. That plug goes in there, and that goes in there, and this one up here, you can see, looks like it goes into there. So, okay, you've got 28 fingers. It looks like it's quite straightforward. So, here goes. So now we've got these to remove so we can get that out. Okay, we've noticed something that this is loose. So that will need something that will need fixing. So this one here, so I'm going to try and put a light in. You've got this cable here, which then goes up and around there, which is this one along here. So now I've got to remove that one. So let's go with. So now we've got this on here, which looks a little Heath Robinson, the way it's tied up there. It seems to go down there and into the actuator. I can't exactly see where that goes, but hey, I think we'll find out. So it's a little bit tricky, but let me show you that there see that, get to this side, push it over. Right, there, see that above and that below. So that's the first bit you need to click in. Okay, and that I've done it via that. So let's do it in the proper way. There we go. There we go. That's what you've got to do. And that brings it out to there. That's point 1. Now the next cable. Right, so now we have the door. So taking it apart, this probably needs to come off to do this cable, because putting it back on is so much easier. So basically in there and in there, and that's in. And of course that needs to be at the bottom, so I now negotiate that back in. Doesn't go easily back in, but it will go back in. There we go, and then we can do that bit up. Diddly do. Here you can see the bolts that need to go in, and there's one at the bottom. But of course we've also got this plate here, and we need to make sure that goes in, and that stops anyone trying to jimmy that in place, and that's why that's there. So let's do that. Right, I think we've done it. Quite excited, really. Let me show you. So the new actuator is in. That's all back together. We'll put some new bolts in there so they look a little bit better. The handle has all been cleaned up and that is all in place. So the first test, shut the door. Can we open the door? We can. Right, well, let's try this one. Let's go inside and see whether we can open the door from inside. Excuse for that lorry that's just gone past. Well, let's go in. Put the chair in. And up here. And pull. Right. The third test. Let's go back out. Let's shut this door. And find some keys. Okay, so there's the keys. It's open, so we shut that. And we now lock it. And it's locked. And it is locked. It won't open. So we now unlock it. Put that. Don't you love it when a plan comes together? Right. The actuator, I think, was about £40. £40. So that's cheap, and doing it was relatively straightforward. So there you go. That's how you can fix the back door lock. So I'll fix the side door lock, back door lock. I'm not sure there are many other locks to fix. Isn't that right, Cosmo? Yes. And Lily seems to be very interested in something over there. Don't you, Lily? Ah dear. Right, we'll sign off now. Bye.
Thanks for watching.